Hello friends, you are watching channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I will show you my personal IKEA purchases and how to make them work. If you enjoy videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. My first purchase is VARIERA shelf insert that I recommend to people who need more access to their drawer or cabinet. That's what it looks like before you assemble it, which takes just a few seconds. Let me show you how I used it. There wasn't enough room inside my kitchen cabinet, so I had a mug clutter that looked awful. So I solved that problem with the help of this shelf insert, putting mugs for grown-ups underneath it and mugs for kids on top. I think it looks much better and definitely more convenient. And now I'm gonna show you an awesome life hack with these shower curtain rings. It's a 12-piece pack and unfortunately it wasn't enough for me, so I'm planning on buying more of these rings. My husband owns a lot of ties and he hangs them on a hanger in our closet. First, it looks rather ugly. Second, it's a struggle to get the tie you need. And third, it's too bulky. That's why just by using these curtain rings and the basic hanger, I created this innovative tie organizer. Look at the transformation. You can use it for belts, or maybe even for scarves, or perhaps for tank tops or for small purses. By the way, I'm working on a video about storage tips for purses, which is coming soon. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's keep going. Another item that I got is a dry food jar that was missing in my kitchen. We had to move to a new house and I had to adjust everything to fit the new kitchen. It turned out that I was short of one of these jars to fill up the new shelf. Now it fits just right, with no gaps, even though in the future I'm planning on replacing all of the jars with something cuter and more suitable. I'll be using these ones for a while. I've had an eye on this divider for some time, but I couldn't make up my mind whether to get it or not. Turns out, should have done it a long time ago. It does exactly what its name implies. I decided to install it in the drawer where we keep my kids' beanies, scarves and gloves. It looks so much better. And I honestly can't stop opening the drawer just to peek at it. By the way, whenever I do something like this, I make my whole family to come and check it out. I wonder if I'm the only one who does this or you do it too. While shopping at IKEA, I noticed this artificial plant that was recommended for purchase with this silver pot. I immediately bought it. Let me explain why. There are too many open shelves in my kitchen that you can't easily reach. That's why beautifying them with plants that don't need to be watered was a great idea. I really find it visually pleasing and you can't even tell if they are fake from the distance. STODJA is actually meant for cutlery, and that's what I originally purchased it for, but then I had a better idea. What if I used it for the bottom drawer of an oven? It fits just right in length, but not in width, so I used scissors to fix that problem. Ladies, I don't advise you to do it on your own. If you can, ask a man to help you out. My thumb and my index finger still hurt after doing this. That's true what they say, beauty requires sacrifice. After installing the tray, I stocked it with various spice shakers. I am satisfied with the result because now I can quickly find what I need. This box attracted me mostly with its price. Besides, I like green, so I bought a bunch of them. I'm gonna show you an interesting idea that I got from one of my Instagram followers. There is a small fitness area in our basement, and I couldn't figure out how to keep my exercise equipment, so it was just scattered around. But now, in addition to looking neat, it makes cleaning floors that much easier. If you liked this video and want me to make more, please give me the thumbs up. Stay tuned for the second part where I demonstrate more of my IKEA items and best ways to use them. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you next week. Bye bye!